Hi there. In this video, I'll walk you through how to efficiently manage your contacts using the Ring DNA Communication Hub. Efficient contact management is critical to staying productive and closing deals. The Ring DNA Communication Hub makes it easy to search and filter your contacts, quickly reaching out to frequently engaged prospects and adding new leads or contacts without having to jump into Salesforce. To get started, click the Contacts tab in the Ring DNA Communication Hub. Using the search bar, you can search for leads, contacts, and accounts from Salesforce, or you can use the drop-down menu to search for other Ring DNA users. By default, the Communication Hub displays your frequently contacted records. This smart list gives you quick access to prospects and customers you're actively nurturing. This list is automatically updated based on your call, messaging, and email activity history. Your most engaged contacts are always at your fingertips. You can use the drop-down filter to refine your search to just leads, contacts, accounts, depending on who you're looking for. From here, you can call, send a text message, or fire off an email directly from the Communication Hub. Need even quicker access to high-priority contacts? Use the Favorites feature. Here's how. Click the star icon next to any contact or lead in the Communication Hub and add them to your favorites list. To view your favorites, click the Favorites tab on the contact page. From here, you can call, message, or email your favorite contacts, just like you would from the other list. From the Favorites page, you can also manually add someone as a favorite by clicking on the Add Favorite button. Here you can enter their name and phone number and click Save when you're done. You can return back to your Search tab, and you can create a new contact or lead directly from the Communication Hub. No need to go into Salesforce. Just click the Add New Contact button and fill out the required fields. You'll be prompted to specify whether you're creating a lead or contact. Once completed, you can click on the Save button and the record is instantly created in Salesforce. Now you know how to manage your contacts within the Ring DNA Communication Hub. Thanks for watching.